Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a shortcut to extra dim function using side button and volume up button in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up this shortcut, we have to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility options, and in accessibility options we have advanced settings. As you can see, we have few options here, but we are interested in side and volume up buttons. Right now we have high contrast fonts under this shortcut, but to change it we simply tap what we don't want and what we want to choose. So we have extra dim now. Let's see if it's working. So side and volume up. Yes, it does work. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.